Hi, I'm Margaret, and welcome to my channel. 2025 is the year of the Yunwu snake, and it is a new year that gives each of the 12 animal signs of the Chinese zodiac a chance to make it better than the last year. So, therefore, the year 2025 can be prosperous and good for any of the animal sign, depending, of course, on your efforts and actions. Now, let's take a closer look at the outlook for the rooster. The rooster will have an active social life in 2025, bringing in new beginnings, financial growth, and opportunities for both personal and professional success. Um, However, the rooster should actually still approach the year with a mix of caution and calmness to tap in on the benefits and avoiding potential pitfalls. Your natural confidence and resourcefulness will align with the wood snake's energy, making it a good time for strategic planning and organizing. Nevertheless, patience and careful determination is necessary to decision making that will have a long lasting effect and benefits. In terms of health, it is essential for the rooster to prioritize self care and relaxation to keep stress under control. Adequate sleep, a balanced diet, and mindful practices can help maintain good balance in both physical and emotional health. Being a busy year and without taking time off to recharge when needed, the rooster may experience burnout and stress related issues. So, practicing general relaxation and meditation can prove to be an invaluable tool to keeping the rooster's overall well being. So, in terms of career and work, the rooster should focus on building strong interpersonal and professional relationships to ensure long term growth. Now, this year offers the rooster a chance to showcase your talents and skills and give them the opportunity to take on leadership roles. Success will come to those who work collaboratively and decisively with attention to details in achieving their goals. So, a lazy and procrastinating approach to your work will not result in success. It is a great time for the rooster to travel as it might benefit them in their careers. So, rooster looking for a change in your work or those looking for work may find that there is more competition than usual and it might take a bit longer to find the right job. But don't lose hope as there are a lot of opportunities for you to secure a good position in a new company. How about finances? It is actually a good year for steady financial growth, and many roosters will be advancing in their careers, of course, bringing additional income into their lives. Roosters should not be tempted with quick money schemes and should be smart in their financial management and decisions and budgeting to help build the foundation for stability in their future. If things sounds too good to be true, then it usually is. Therefore, roosters would be wise to avoid risks where their finances are concerned this year. How about relationships? In 2025, relationships thrive with mutual respect and clear communications for the roosters. It looks that you have to take time out to nurture a relationship with your family, your friends, and significant partner. It looks to be a promising year as many will take significant steps in their love life and making big decisions and commitments this year. For a single rooster, they will need to dedicate time to find meaningful romantic prospects, and trust and openness should be key to having this relationship with their uh, new partners or with one another, and this will actually lead to benefits in the long run. In terms of social and family life for the rooster, it looks to be good and they can gain a lot from being with family and friends this year. It's a great time for the rooster to spread your wings, so to speak, and travel to new places and experience new things. Make sure to include your family in your plans whenever possible. So plan trips with your loved ones or your friends. And it looks to be a good, productive, and enjoyable year for the rooster, 2025. So it looks also to forward to a lot of accomplishments being done. And the rooster will still need to balance their time well and make sure they stay motivated to complete the tasks they have at hand. And this is so that you can actually make the most of the energy of the Yingwu snake in 2025. So I wish you a fantastic year of the snake. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. It's Margaret saying bye bye for now.